Hi, my name is Yael Saranga. I am a printmaking artist living in Mazkeret Batya, Israel. My print Crime on Her Mind is dedicated to Patricia Highsmith, an American novelist born 100 years ago in January 1921. I was impressed by Patricia Highsmith's biography written by Joan Shankar. According to Patricia Highsmith, her mother once told her that she had tried to abort her. Highsmith never resolved this love-hate relationship, which presumably haunted her for the rest of her life. She was a Freudian without knowing it. Wherever she made love in life, she ended up killing at least one character in her novel. For my Crime on Her Mind print, I made several sketches based on Patricia Highsmith's image. The final sketch was transferred to the linoplate for the carving and printing process. This print is inspired by the double-minded character of Patricia Highsmith. It derives from her love to comics, where the heroes transform their appearances. The cat represents love and comfort, while the head and the sharp shape symbolize negative thoughts. Highsmith's image is illuminated in contrast to a dark background, perhaps a protecting wall symbolizing her obsession with death and that everything had to be well protected. The blue shades reflect the victims of her novels that used to wear jeans. Finally, I would like to express my deep gratitude to Aida for the fascinating and challenging projects, for opening the stage to us artists. Thank you.